Good day, sir. I'm Mark Eben J. Gilos. I'm going to report the watertight integrity and the importance of keeping within the ship. Watertight integrity in a ship refers to the ship's ability to prevent water from entering the hull, particularly below the waterline. Maintaining the integrity is crucial for the ship's safety, stability, and seaworthiness, as well as for preventing damage and potential loss of life or cargo.
Good day, sir. My name is Boyd Imklava, G2 Here's why watertight integrity is so important. Preventing flooding and sinking. Ship hull is designed to be watertight to prevent flooding, which can compromise the ship's stability and buoyancy and potentially leading to sinking. Watertight compartments allow the ship to remain afloat even though one or more compartments are breached or filled with water. Number two, ensuring safety and seaworthiness. Watertightness prevents water from entering compartments such as machinery space, storage areas, and living quarters, which can cause damage. Spacecraft operation, which are engineer and crew and passenger. Importance of watertight integrity. Safety. Watertight integrity is essential for preventing flooding, which can lead to loss of stability, buoyancy, and potentially sinking the ship. Crew and passenger safety. Flooding can pose a significant threat to crew and the passenger, potentially leading to injury or death. Cargo safety. Water ingress can damage or destroy cargo, leading to financial losses.